Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Brillo Basics Pine Cleaner with Pine Oil. It's in a squirt bottle, but it'll do. Here's the information about it. Made in Turkey, alright. Now it's time to see if this clouds up. We'll do an approximate capful. That'll work. I'm not seeing any clouds form, but it smells good. Here is a look at the product. No clouds on this product, but it does smell pretty good. Let's get mopping. And as usual, I will go over the floor twice. And twice. Smelling good in the entryway. It's smelling good in this entry hall. And there's twice. And here is the after on the mop water. Quite a bit dirtier than it was to begin with, so the product is effective. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with Brillo Basics Pine Cleaner with Pine Oil. Thank you for watching.